Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make soft cheese garlic bread without using an oven. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 2 cups of wheat flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of water, 1 packet of yeast, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, and lastly 2 tablespoons of sugar. In a bowl which has the wheat flour, start by adding 1 packet of yeast, which is approximately to 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, and lastly a half a teaspoon of salt, and mix all the dry ingredients very well. Then you're going to add 3/4 cup of warm water. Pour a bit by a bit while mixing till everything is well combined until you get a dough. Once you get a dough, you're going to knead the dough till it's super soft. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, or you can use butter, to make sure that your dough becomes soft. Then continue kneading the dough till your dough becomes soft. Once your dough is soft, make a round ball and put the dough back into the kneading bowl. Then afterwards you're going to apply some oil to avoid the dough from sticking in the bowl. Then afterwards, cover the dough and place it in a warm place to double size for approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour. Meanwhile, we're going to make some garlic sauce. Ingredients: you're going to need a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of melted butter, 5 pieces of garlic, and lastly, a handful of coriander leaves. In a medium bowl, start by pouring a half a cup of melted butter, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, and lastly a handful of coriander leaves, and mix everything well. After approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour, my dough has double size, as you can see in the video. Then afterwards, remove the dough out from the bowl. Then you're going to divide the dough into 2 or 3 doughs according to the size of your baking pans. On my side, I divided the doughs into 2. Then take 1 dough at a time, sprinkle some flour, and roll out the dough into a medium thin circle. Once you're done, take your baking pan. Make sure you've put a baking sheet at the bottom so that the breads don't stick at the bottom. And I'm done rolling out my doughs, as you can see in the video, and it's high time to apply the garlic sauce. Then afterwards, spread the butter garlic sauce around the doughs, as you can see in the video. Then afterwards, I'm going to add some cheese. I've used some Emmental cheese, or you can use any cheese that you like. Then sprinkle a bit of paprika powder. Then afterwards, cover your garlic breads. Secure your bread with the tips of your finger, or you can use a fork to secure your bread. Afterwards, slightly cut your breads so that the breads can bake inside very well. Lastly, I'm going to apply the remaining butter garlic sauce so that your breads, when they're baking, to have this amazing golden brown color. Then it's high time to bake our garlic breads. I'm going to show you two techniques. The first technique, I'm not going to use an oven. Preheat your pan for at least 5 to 7 minutes till hot. Then afterwards, place your garlic bread and cook it in a medium heat for approximately 30 minutes to 40 minutes till well baked. And if you're going to use an oven, place your bread in a preheated oven and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes till well baked. And after 35 to 40 minutes, our garlic bread in the pan is ready, as you can see in the video. And my cheese garlic breads are ready, as you can see in the video. They are well baked and they have this amazing golden brown color. Let them to cool down before cutting them. I'm going to cut the garlic bread into two so you can able to see the inside of the bread. This bread is so tasty. You can eat along with the barbecued meat or chicken and enjoy this delicious garlic bread. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.